Alright guys, so you can see we got our work cut out for us. We got tile shower, bathrooms, laundry, kitchen, floor, countertops, clean and seal everything. So we got everything prepped up and scrubbed in the shower already. So I'm going to fire it up and we can extract, and then we're going to move to the floors. Real quick guys, if you're looking to get in the carpet cleaning business, you know I got a school, you know I got a course that covers everything below all my videos. And also, if you're looking for an app that just takes care of everything in your business, billing, scheduling, even asking for reviews, online booking, so much more. House Call Pro link is also below. If you use that link, you get 2 months half off. So be sure you use that link. All right, so back to the video. You go ahead and scrub the main areas with that, and I go around detail with the hand scrubber on the corners and stuff underneath the toe tips. So we finished this room already. We're gonna mop up some excess water here in the shower. Okay. Yeah, so if you pull up, it pushes down on that. So this is our magic eraser scrubber right here, the Viper. People ask me what it is. Floor machine. You do a lot with it, the pads on it. For us, we use it mostly for pre-scrubbing and stuff, but hard floor cleaning, you name it, you can do a lot with this. And what I love about it mostly, no wires. And listen how quiet it is. Probably sounds louder on camera, what I noticed, and it really does in real life. But yeah, we're finished with all the counters, and we're gonna go ahead and work our way out of here. And we'll be done. All right, guys, forgot to finish up the video, so I'm finishing it now. So yeah, job took us 3 hours. It was $1,117. Clean and seal everything, all the hard floor services. So I told that to customer now. Results will be tomorrow. And you know, some customers are really understanding it immediately, but some people are like, oh, is that a little stain right there? No, trust me, it's just like a wetter spot. It's just, you know, it's not a stain. Tomorrow everything will blend and look beautiful. And I don't believe I've ever had a call back for tile cleaning. I've never had to go back the next day and address issues, because when we leave out of there, we go over and we make sure while we're cleaning that like when I'm spinning, you know, using the spinner and cleaning, if I see something doesn't clean up, I hit it with the pre-spray and a scrubber. If it doesn't come up, I hit it with a wire brush. If that doesn't get it up, then it's a stain, so we know it's below the surface. So I'll walk out of there sure that we did the best job possible. So anyway, that's it for this one. I hope you guys like. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, do my channel a favor. All right, correction, guys, it took 2.5 hours. All right, now see you in the next one.